Today we are gonna open this airport Lego set. So we are gonna build this aeroplane and this tower. Let's get started. Oh look, we have so many pieces. Wow! First we need this yellow piece and now we need this white piece. Now we have to join them together. Now we need the wheels, and the wheels are right over here. Now our first thing is done. And the first thing is our airplane. Now let's make the airport tower. So first, we need this big gray piece. Now we need this and with the door. We're gonna put the door right over here. Now we're gonna stick it right over here. Now we're gonna get these two red pieces. Now we're gonna just put them right over here. We need these two blue pieces. And now we're gonna just put them right over here, like this. Now we need the other blue pieces. We're gonna do the same thing as we already did. Now we need this orange piece. Now we're gonna put the orange piece over here. And now we need this piece so we could spin them around. We're gonna put this right over here. Now we need these two pieces and a yellow chair. We're gonna put the yellow chair right over here like this. We're gonna put the blue pieces right on the side of the yellow chair. And we put this one right over here. All right. Now we need this sign. Now we're gonna put it at the top. Now we need this gray piece. Now we're gonna put it in the middle. We need this dark gray piece. Now we're gonna put it on the top. Now we're gonna put the slide. And we are done. Looks like our passengers are ready. This is Ellie the pilot. And this is Jack the passenger. Here's his luggage. And they're ready for takeoff.
We are ready to take off. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Oh look! Looks like Ellie is back. Looks like she is in a helicopter now. So friends, at our airport we have an air tower and a helicopter and an aeroplane.